What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Evan. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I took a trade on Sqqq today, what I was looking for, what I waited for, and just kind of understand my thought process through the entire trade. Hop into my screen real quick. Here we are on TQQQ. So it is Tuesday, January 3rd. Market's still open right now, but I'm just going to show you exactly how I traded Sqqq this morning. So as we can see on TQQQ, we are on the 2-minute time frame. We can see right out of the gate we had some strength right around here, and we had gapped up, right? We had gapped up overnight. Well, this is over the 3-day weekend. We had gapped up on TQs, or the NASDAQ market, the QQQs, and we were basically hitting this kind of same resistance range, I guess you could say, as like pre-market. So pre-market, we had gapped up, we hit that, we kind of trended down. We had a decent amount of volatility, which was kind of scary, to say the least, in the pre-market. So right out of the gate, we had a push up on TQQQ. Now, I was simply waiting for TQQQ to go up and test that around like that $18 range. I was thinking, because usually on stocks, especially for TQs or like SQs, there's usually somewhat of a resistance for at every single like dollar amount. So if you're coming from $16 up to 17, there's usually resistance around 17. In this case, we were coming from around 17.50 up to 18. So I figured there would be some resistance there at $18. And then I also connected that dot with the pre-market resistance there on TQs. So we went up, we touched that area, immediately sold right off. This candlestick went down so quick. I'm not even joking. Literally could have snapped my fingers and this candle would have showed the instant reject. So I could tell that there was weakness in the market. Flip around, as soon as that huge reject occurred, we could see Sqqq was pushing up. We waited for Sqqq to break above this moving average, right? It broke above the moving average, had another nice push up. I hopped in on this candle as this candle began to close up, and then it kind of took off from there. We consolidated a little bit around here with this candle. Boom, it kept pushing up. And overall in the day, I ended up making 1.6% on Sqqq, which is awesome. It's great. Now, I did miss out on a decent amount of the trade, which kind of sucks as a trader, but you have to look back and understand, hey, I took profits when I saw it like fit to be, right? And you can't be chasing that move, that continuous move up, because you could get caught in some downside. So I took profits. Where did I sell that? I have it written down. I sold at around 53.82. Obviously, you can see it blew past 53.82. So right here was around when I sold, right? And it's mainly because of this wick right here. This wick kind of made me want to sell, just because it looked like we were pushing up and then getting rejected right away. Soon after that, obviously, we continued pushing up, and I could have sold at a later date or a later time and made more money. But like I said, got to be happy with locking in profits. It's not exactly the thought of, hey, I'm green, let's take profit, but more so like where you see possible resistance, to take profit there, or at least take some size off of your position. In this case, I decided to take profit. And that's okay, because I still made a good amount for the day, and I'm happy with my trade. So there is that trade for today. I did trade one more trade after this. It was kind of a stupid move, and I just lost a little bit of money, but it wasn't anything near what I made on this move up. So I made about 1.6% off of this kind of initial push up, and then I think I lost about 0.02 or 0.03% on the move that I took later in the day. And it was just kind of like a move. I took it with half of a position size, right? I took it because I saw that the market was continuously pushing up. I took the position with half of my position size that I normally take, just in case that it were to pull back. It pulled back a little bit. I pretty much just decided to get out. I decided I didn't want to mess around anymore. I just wanted to keep my profits for the day, and that's exactly what I did. So that's going to be a big milestone for me in 2023, is kind of giving over that mental factor of it, and it should be for a lot of you guys too, because most people just with trading, you keep thinking, hey, like I need to get back in. You have a lot of FOMO, me especially, right? And I'm looking to erase that FOMO going into 2023 and just lock in profits, walk away and keep my profits, because it's not about how much you can continue to make on a day, but it's about literally just making money and getting away from that, because it can easily be all given back. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Quick look at the market reports for tomorrow. We have mortgage applications index, shouldn't be too crazy. Manufacturing index comes out at 10 o'clock. That should have a decent effect on the market. So keep in mind, if you are in a position before 10 a.m., if you take a position between 9:30 and 10 a.m., you are subject to how that report comes in, how it affects the market. And then job openings. It's not going to be too crazy, but manufacturing index is the one thing that I'm going to be looking out for. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future. Hopefully you guys can learn something from this. Hopefully it can help you prepare for the next day. Continue looking at those larger time frames, continue identifying levels within intraday moves, and yeah, take good positions and lock in profit. See you guys in the next video.